Okay, it seems everyone has joined. Okay, so let us start with the one of the tools session, that is Balsamiq. Okay, so already we completed the MS Visio, which we used to draw the UML diagrams, like use case diagrams and activity diagrams. Okay, and then we have seen Axure. Okay, so which is used to draw the prototypings. Okay, and then the third one we are going to see today, that is Balsamiq. Okay, to be frank, this Balsamiq is also is very easy tool. Okay, so after install this tool, we are going to use it for drawing the wireframes. So actual tool we use it for what? For prototyping. First of all, I want to tell you the difference between what is prototype and what is wireframing. See, prototype is something like uh, we are going to show it to the client. I mean, we are going to prepare the prototype with rich features. I mean, we are going to show colorful features, and how the GUI is going to look like, and passing on from one state, I mean, one page to another page, how to redirect and everything. It gives lot of features to us. Okay, actually. Whereas wireframing is something which is lightweight. You can define like prototyping is heavyweight, whereas wireframing is lightweight. That means we'll mainly concentrate on outline of the page. Okay, what all the things we need to show. In a short term, if you want to show something to the client in a pictorial form, you can use wireframing tools. One of the tools which we use for wireframing is Balsamiq. So after installing the Balsamiq, it will come like this. One smiley symbol is there, right? Just double click on it. Once you install that software, whatever we give, you will get something like this. Okay, so double click on that smile face. Okay, you will get something like this. This is the default. I mean, it won't be there. 1 minute. Let me refresh. Okay, by default it will be like this. The page will come like this. Okay, this is one when you first time open this page, open this particular Balsamiq tool, it will come. It will appear to you like this window. Everyone able to see my desktop properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Window.
sir.
So this is a very easy tool, sir. Okay. So let me tell you first of all the layout of this particular tool. Okay, the layout of this particular tool. If you know the layout, I mean which component is at what place and what is the use of it, you can easily uh, learn this particular tool. Okay. So first of all, one kind of ribbon kind of thing is appearing to you here, right? Okay, here all the things like a block of text browser, like this different widgets are appearing to us. Many widgets are appearing to us, right? So these are the number of widgets. I mean, by default this tool will give. You can directly use them in the page whatever you want. So on top of it, if you clearly see, they are grouped into different containers, forms, icons, like that. So first one, if you see all the things, that means many whatever the widgets it is giving. Okay, everything will appear to you. 90 or 100 will be there. Okay, many everything it will show all the different widgets which are available in the entire tool. Okay, any one of these things you can use. Okay, or otherwise they grouped into some icons. I mean some groups also, like if you want something related to assets, so only assets, if at all anything is there, will appear. Otherwise big, I mean, some things related to big will appear, or buttons related thing. If you want to see, you can click on this and you can do it. I mean, grouped. Okay, they have been segregated, common, very common ones which we use. Or suppose if you want to develop, I mean, show a page related to iPhone. Okay, see, iOS is there. When you click on that, all the things which relates to iPhone, iPad, okay, all these things also will appear, which you can use directly. Like that, you can use anything text related. Okay, see some of the symbols, anything is there, media related. Okay, markup, like that, many things are there. Okay, this is the ribbon in which you can see that. Fine. Now, After that, I want to tell you something like this one. On the left hand side of the page, see something like one page is coming, right? By default. Okay, one page is coming. So by default, first page will appear. Okay, so if at all you want to add two or three more pages, any other pages you can add. You can add. Just go on top. Here one plus symbol is there. See? Okay, click on the plus. Okay, you got another page. Okay, you can rename this page also. Okay, just double click on it. Okay, you can rename anything. Okay, mockup number, suppose I want to make it one. Okay, just you can rename also, no problem. Okay, anything you can do, you can rename it to mockup to, like that. Okay, any number of pages you can add. Suppose in your website, whatever you are going to create, okay, or the wireframe, whatever you want to show it to the client, you require three pages, you add three pages, like that. Okay, so now let us start with the designing of that. So how to do that? So select the first page. Okay, now this is the central page is there, right? Here all the graphic window is there, right? Some graph kind of thing is appearing here. You can design the page whatever you want. Whatever the page you want, you can design it. Suppose you want to show a web page. Okay, just I'll take a small page, something like web page. So if you want to create that, select the page and drag and drop whatever the widget you want regarding that. So first of all, to show it, I want a browser. I want to show a browser. So where is the browser? You check it. Here it is there. Okay, just drag and drop it. That's it. We got something like this. See? Okay, just drag. See, we got something like this. You can resize it to anything you want. Okay, you can resize like this. And so by default, a web page and HTTPS is coming. You want to change it something, just double click on it. Something like this one. You can write here. Okay, a web page. Okay, otherwise it's a even a code page. I'll tell you. See. Not page. Just I'm writing HTTP. I want to API. I mean, show like URL like https:// something like this. I want to show. Okay, I can change it and click outside. See how it changed. See, we got imnaco.com. Okay, like that you can show anything whatever you want. Okay, and by default, if you see this page, okay, if you observe this page, how it is looking, sir? It is looking as if we draw with some sketch pen and scales and everything, right? It's a kind of drawing kind of thing. It is appearing. So it is one way. Suppose you want to change it. There are two types of modes you can say. If you want to change it to just like a web page with proper edges and everything, you can change it. So how can we change it? Means see the entire page properties. Okay, will be there in the, see here page symbol is there, right? Okay, project info control. Okay, click on that. Okay, click on that. So if you click on that, some page in the right hand side, some properties will appear. These properties, when you click on this page, okay, this is related to entire page properties. Entire page properties will get affected. So here all the properties will appear here and you can change from here. Okay, entire thing. So how can you change it? Here see sketch is there, that means skin sketch is there. Okay, so if you click on wireframe, see how it is going to change. Observe it, see how it changed. It as if it is like any I mean proper web page kind of thing it is appearing, right? Okay, now you can even when you click on this, okay, after that, see, if you see here one eye symbol is there, eye symbol. If you click on eye symbol, okay, what is this means? This right side window page is changing. That means the properties related to this widget. That means this only this window see, when you click on page, entire page settings will happen, and when you click on I, okay, you will get the properties of the window whatever you have selected. So here it is. So by default the background is something like white color is appearing. Right now I want to change it, so click here and take any color. See, the background has been changed. Now in this I want to show just login page. Okay, imagine just I want to show a login page kind of thing. Very simple. Login means I want to have a username, password, and the text files and submit button I want to show. Okay, just so what is that? First of all, I want to put a label. So you need to select where is the label in this. So it's very difficult, right? Many things are there where you can select it. Okay, where you can get it. If at all you are finding it, well and good. Suppose if you are not able to find it out, just quick add is there, right? Search is there, right? Here type label, label, okay, something like that. Okay, that particular thing will appear. I mean, all the things will come with that name. So this is the one label, right? So select it. Just when you select it, see that particular label will come and come to here. Just drag and drop into the page. Drag and drop it into the page. Okay, you can change this length and just double click on it. You can change the name also, username. I want to make it username. Okay, so label, I have kept it as a username label. Okay, you can resize also whatever. See, you can resize this to whatever you want, username. Okay, next I want to have a text box. Okay, because we need to enter their name, right? Where is the text box? Check it. If you are able to find it out, take it. Otherwise you just say here text. Okay, see, text area, text input is coming, right? One single line input, text area is coming. So select it. See, that will come here. So drag and drop on this. See, like this you can align also. Just whatever you want, you can give. Understand? Username or that text also we give. Suppose I want to make the username some changes. Okay, bigger size or something. Just what I told you, you select username and select I here. Its properties will appear. See, I want to make the username bold. See, click on bold, it became bold. Or size, I want to increase. I can size if 13, I want to make it 18. See, it became, I mean, I'm able to change the name. Understand? Okay, size of that. Like that you can make any change. Next I want to take password. Suppose you need not do it for again quick search and label and everything. You can do this also. Okay, you just right click on it, copy, otherwise you just control C. Okay, you can use control C and control V. See, yeah, like this. Okay, I just double click on it. I will change the name to password. Okay, I'll change the name to password, and I want to put a text file again. Okay, just control C it, control V it, you'll get one more thing. Okay, just you can keep like this. Okay, next, what is that? Oh, submit button I want to put it. Where is the button? So here a button is there. Otherwise you can check here button. If you say, it will come automatically. Okay, see button, it is coming. Okay, click on there, you will get one button here. You can keep it here. Okay, just double click on it. Just you can say submit. It's very easy, sir. Just okay. I mean, Axure is compared to this one, that is very critical. Okay, very difficult. Okay, even if you want to change the settings for the submit, okay, just click on it. Go to its properties by clicking on I symbol. Okay, and then you can change it. Okay, bold. I want to make it bold, and um, I want to background. If you want to change the background, something like white color. See, some color has been changed, and you want to change the size of it. Okay, 20. See, like this, whatever the page you want, you can change. Understand? But this Balsamiq will not give you that much flexibility like validations and everything like Axure. See, in Axure, we were able to see, I mean, like whether username and password are correct or not correct, then only go to the next page. Like that, we made so many things, right? That is for prototyping. But here, it will not give you that much flexibility. Just you can show the pages like this. Okay, if you want to show another page, go there and you design that page. Okay, another page. Okay, first page. Suppose you want to show it to the client. How can you show it? Simple. If it is on online, okay, if you want to show it, simply you can say that, see here, one last button is there, play button. Just click on play. See, it will appear like this. You can tell to the client that, okay, see, one arrow kind of pointer is also appearing to us. You can explain here, if Evonaco page will come like this and the URL will be something like this, username will be like this, password, and you can enter username, password, and you can submit here. Like this, you can explain to the client also whatever you want, the page you can create, and then you can do it. Okay, and like this you can do it. Suppose you want to save it, just very simple, go to project, okay, and then export to PDF. Simple, export to PDF, export to PDF, you can say. Okay, and it will ask you where you want to show it. Suppose desktop, I will give something like login page. Okay, just PDF, as a PDF if you want to save. Okay, so when I see this, see login page has come, double click on it, it will come as a login page. uh, where it is, yeah, see how it came. It is appearing, right? So whatever you created, so you can send the PDF document to the client also. Okay, like this you can use the Balsamiq. Understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more point I will take. See, generally it won't give this navigation from one page to another page like Capture, but small thing it will give, sir. Okay, it will give you a small flexibility to go from one page to another page. Other than that, nothing it will give like validations and all. I'll tell you that also. See, I'm going to second page. I'm designing a second page, something like some pie chart I'm keeping so that you can understand. Okay, anything you can give, put it. Okay, now what I want is when I give, I mean, when I submit on this button, okay, after giving the imagine like it should go to second page. Okay, now how can I give it is, see how I am going to give. I am clicking on submit. See this, clicking on submit. When I, okay, now its properties will appear here on the left side, submit button properties. Now what I'm doing is, see here there is one something called as links. See this, links is there. Okay, able to see? Now no link is there by default. So now what I'm doing, I'm clicking on here and I am selecting page number 2. I mean this one, new, what is the name of it? New mockup 2. So I'm selecting new mockup 2. Okay, so when I select that, how it is happening, see. Okay, now let me run it and show it to you how it is going to appear to you. See, okay, just small navigation it allows. That's what I'm telling. Okay, click on it. See, it is appearing like this, pointer is coming. You can tell to the client that you can enter username and password here, and when you click on submit, see hand symbol is coming because I added a link to it. Okay, you try to observe that. Okay, and you click on submit it will go to the next page and it will appear like this, that you can save that. See, we got the second page. Understand? This particular very normal one, okay, at least this particular functionality it will work. You can navigate from one page to another page also, or otherwise I'll show you another thing also. You see, and if you click on submit, even if you observe this one links, now not only the pages inside the Balsamiq, even you can give to any website link also. Okay, link to any new website link also. Okay, how can we do it? Okay, so web page URL. Okay, you can write like youtube.com or something. Okay, and then say okay. Then what happens is when you click on here, when you show him to him, the when you click on submit, automatically YouTube page will also open. Okay, that will happen like that. Okay, you can do anything. So like this, uh, generally we use this Balsamiq whenever you get very less time. Okay, client gave you some requirements and he will ask you something like, can you show me how it is going to look like in the next 1 hour or something like that. Then you can use this kind of tools very easily. Within 5 minutes you can draw something and you can show it to me. Whereas Axure will take some time, right? Okay, 1 or 2 days to fully complete that thing, and the navigations and everything. Okay, the graphical representations also, it provides many functionalities and everything, where that is a rich look as well as heavily, I can say like heavily loaded. It's a lightweight. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, fine, sir. Then any doubts in this? Anyway,
No,
I will
sir.
upload these to our YouTube channel also. Okay, you can watch from there also. And you do experiment with all these different whatever is there, like widgets. Okay, I'll do one thing. Wait, I'll add one more page. Okay, see, suppose you want to do it with a, any cell phone thing, iOS. I clicked on iOS, so you can take something like the iPhone symbol I have taken. Okay, and then you want to fit some something like keyboard kind of thing. You just drag and drop the keyboard at this place, something like this, and then you can adjust also. Okay, like this. Okay, you can do something, some adjustments like this. Got it, sir? Okay, next, if you want to put some on and off buttons, okay, you can keep some on and off buttons like this. Okay, you can design the page whatever you want. Okay, so alert box, if you want something like alert box, and you can write, okay, alert from, okay, anything you can change and keep it. Understand? So like this, you can manage this particular thing, whatever you want. You can keep like this, and you can manage. You can create whatever the things. Even iOS menu, if you want something like instead of this, if you want to delete it, just delete it. Okay, and if you want to show something like menu kind of thing, okay, even you can show menu kind of thing also like this. And if you want to change these words also, you can change, just double click on it. See, uh, you can change these things, and see, I'm deleting VM and everything. Okay, so that will not appear, something like that. Okay, you can put some kind of alerts or something like that here, and you can put it. You can do whatever you want. Understand? And save it and then send it to the client. Okay, see, now if I save it, see, project, export to PDF. Okay, export to, okay, new project, what I gave earlier, something like login page, right? Okay, okay, I will say login page one. Okay, save. I'm saving it. Okay, it's saved. See, now the page is, see, we got 3 pages now. First page, second page, and then third page also we got. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this, you can generate whatever the mockup or whatever the what we say wireframe you want. Okay, and then you can proceed. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope you are doing. Everyone is doing the nurturing well. Okay, things are going fine. Okay, you please complete the remaining things also, and start doing the BRD and FRD documents also. Okay, fine, sir. Okay, best
Okay.
of log of
Sir,
FRD.
Jira also remaining.
Yeah, for Jira also, I'll tell you one thing. In our YouTube channel, go to YouTube channel. Okay, okay. I have uploaded some videos. Okay, you know our YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jira
Yes, sir.
1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Three videos are there. You please see at least 1 by 3. Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this video each one will be 1 hour. Okay, even now this video also I am going to put it into the YouTube. Okay, so everything will be there. MS Video is there, Axure is there, Balsamiq will be there, and Jira also will be there. Okay, so if you see that and try to understand, more than enough. First video is more than enough. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And later we'll
Yes, sir.
conduct class anytime in related to Agile Scrum classes. I will involve all of you in that. You can join that also, if at all we conduct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine, sir. Then we'll log off for that. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, boss.